What's going on, guys? Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive in a 1969 F-100. This truck here has a 302 AC power steering. Should be a good little test drive. Check out my walk around video. I just walked around this truck, point out any kind of flaws that I could find. You can find that video linked at the very end of this, like the last 30 seconds, or just type in 1969 F-100 Maple Motors into the YouTube search bar. MapleMotors.com offers financing and shipping information, including all of our inventory. You get close to 100 detailed pictures of every vehicle. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Post videos like this every day. And it's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Gonna check out the interior before we take off here. Looks pretty clean. It's got one of those caps on the dash. It's nice and new. Yes, the AC does work. It's under the dash. Go ahead and start her up here. You want to place your bets? Do you think the horn works on this steering wheel? We'll be trying some other stuff out, like the wipers and the AC. It's already cold. Radio does not work. That's pretty old. The original controls there are not working. Yeah, they are. I guess that's for your heat. No AC will be coming through that. Looking around the interior, the seats in decent condition. It's not all tore up underneath me either. But you can see that in the walk around videos that I provide of every vehicle as well. Even the light works. Horn? Not so much. There's another button over here. Try to say it's hooked up to the horn, you can hear it click. It's not working. Let's see how she drives. All right, getting ready to go down the road. We'll take off. Got the AC on right now. I'll go ahead and cut it off so you can hear more of the vehicle. This unit's nice and cool, but it's kind of noisy. Cruise on down through the parking lot. Everybody's waiting to pull out up here. The steering wheel feels good in your hands. Speedometer's already starting to come up, so it's showing signs it's working. Gas gauge is moving around a little bit, so that's working. The temp gauge has not came up yet. Truck is going straight down the road, and the steering is nice and tight. The kick down, not hooked up on this one. Try our brakes before we get too close. Brakes are stopping fast. I don't know, that kick down feels like it's engaging at a lower speed here. Turn signals popping up on the dash. Still waiting on that engine tip to come up. It hasn't moved yet. We'll get around this curve here and I'll see if that kick down is actually hooked up at the lower speed. Sure feels like it. We're gonna pull in this parking lot here. I'm gonna drive by the camera, drive over the camera. We're gonna try to get all kinds of outside shots of this truck to give you more of an idea of what it is. You can see all of my gear and equipment down below in the description. It's all Amazon links too, so if you want to pick it up, there it is. All right, guys. Got y'all back up in the driver's seat. We're gonna take off here. Everything seems a-okay on this one. Runs and drives good. We can go back to the lot and grab us another vehicle. Notice my temp gauge is not working. I would recommend buying one and adding it to this truck. That's something always good to have. The turn signal switch did not automatically cut off by itself. We're going to turn on this road here. It's got a pretty significant bump in it. The suspension on this truck's pretty nice, so you probably won't even notice it. You can listen for rattles and shakes. Just kind of give you an idea on suspension, the best I can through a video at least. Right past this 31 insulation band, right here. We're gonna pull back into the lot here, grab another vehicle, and do another test drive. I do appreciate y'all riding along with me. Thanks again, guys. All right, guys, I do appreciate you riding along with me. If you don't mind, check out maplemotors.com. Close to 100 detailed pictures, financing information, and shipping. I can ship these vehicles all over the country. If you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button. I do post videos every day. I got a walk around pointing out the flaws on the outside of this truck. You can find it the last 30 seconds of this video in the bottom right hand corner. We're going to be getting to another car today, so be looking for more posts. You can also hit the notification bell to alert you every time I post a vehicle. Appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again.